What's up guys? It's your boy Gebel back with a new video. Today we're gonna check out and take a closer look at my KTM 125. For those of you who don't know, this is a 125 two-stroke and it's pretty much maxed out. We got the bold decals, the CMT carbon fiber, we got the FMF exhaust and the FMF shorty. We can continue and just take a look at the bike so you guys actually know what is on the bike, because I think a lot of you guys don't even know to 100% what I've added to my bike. So on the front I have a Lockheed's Angel Eye. It's a LED Angel Eye, it's pretty dope. You guys have been asking about the seat cover. We got the Night Throne seat cover right here with a small seat bump. It's pretty dope. The text right here, it says Wheelie Boy Lifestyle. Other than that, we got the pegs right here to protect the bike whenever I crash. All blacked out. I like to have my bikes blacked out. That's the reason actually why I bought this bike, because I wanted to have a black frame. And when I saw this 125, I was like, damn, I gotta buy this bike and just completely remake it. So here's a picture on how it looked before, and as you guys can see, it looks totally different right now. Other than that, I got the black triple clamp right here. I got some bold fork strings. Then we got the carbon tank cover and the carbon frame guard. What I've done is that I've added some stickers to the carbon fiber to make it just flow a little bit better with the graphics kit. The engine is tuned by Powered by JJ. It's like completely brand new in the engine. I'll put up on the screen right now everything that has changed. I've ridden the bike like 15 hours since then, so the engine is like brand new. Last but not least, we got the brake disc. You guys know I always like to run with the Motormaster, the 320mm brake disc. Let's just hear a sound check right now and see how the bike runs. Okay guys, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Peace.